Hey, this is Brian Masters with Shiloh Coffee Supply and Hope Coffee. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the Fracino Cherub or the Fracino Classico. They both are about the same machine, little simple differences on the knobs. But this is either a daily clean or every few days, once a week, depending on how often you're using it. So this machine here, we're just going to pull the portafilter out. And you can grab your handy dandy toothbrush, as I call it, but I'm sure there's a very wonderful name for it, of a coffee tool. But this here, we're going to brush the underside of the head in there just to get any grounds that are sticking in there. You want to be doing that every day just to kind of clean that, make sure that everything fits correctly. The second part of that is going to be cleaning out the inside of this head. Again, because it is the manual type of machine, it's possible that grounds can get up into that head, and we want to clean that. And so to do that, you're going to grab your portafilter and you're going to take out this basket. So it's held in there with a little spring, but you take that basket out and we're going to put in the blank basket. And the blank basket will snap right in there, just like that. Then you're going to take your coffee tool and some Cafisa, some espresso cleaner. You're going to grab that, and at the end it has a scoop. Just grab one scoop out of that. We're going to put it straight into the blank portafilter there. And we're going to insert that right in the head. Now, again, this is for cleaning only. Do not do this on a regular basis trying to make coffee, because it won't. So with that in there, we're going to turn this on, and it's going to put pressure in there, and that cleaner is going to go up in that head and clean it, and then we're going to turn it off, and it's going to spit it out right down here at the bottom of the relief valve. We're only doing this for about a 5 to 10 second range. We don't want to do it, keep it on for very long. So you'll see how I'm doing that as I demonstrated. So it is on, and you can hear the tone change just a little bit. You can hear it building that pressure, and I'm going to release it. And you'll see just a little bit there. So I'm going to do that one more time. You're going to hear that pressure build right in that head. And as we turn it off, you'll see even more coming out. And that is going to be, in some sense, dirty water. It's going to have espresso in there. Your coffee grounds have gotten up into that head. And so what we're doing right now is just cleaning that within it. Again, this Cherub and the Classico have a thermo siphon type head, to where it's got the heat exchanger, it's got water, hot water flowing through it at all times, but this is allowing it to clean that head section. So as you do that, you can do that 4 or 5 times, generally until it runs nearly clear. In there, it may take a few more pulls on it to get it to where it's nearly clear in there. And you'll want to do that at least, depending on your volume. You could do it daily. If you are running this in a shop, I would recommend it. If you're running it at home or in a break room, you may do this weekly, depending on how many coffees you make throughout the week. So at that point, then you have finished that. You're going to pull that head out, and you can see there's some left in there, and we will dump that out and clean that here in a little bit. But then just let this thing run. It's going to get some of that residue off. You can also use the coffee tool or toothbrush to clean that out. And the reservoir is deep enough in this tray to be able to hold that amount of water. And so then we're going to clean all that up, and it will be ready to go for your next customer. Well, thank you for watching these videos from Shiloh Coffee Supply. We have great videos that you can subscribe below on how to use the Fracino machines, as well as how to repair or do any of the maintenance on the Fracino espresso machines and their grinders. Appreciate it very much, and have a great day.